Good morning students, God bless you all. Exercise 2.2 sum number 3. Solve minus 3 modulus of x plus 5 less than minus 2 and graph the solution set in a number line. So, this is the given inequality. We are going to solve for x and then we have to draw the number line. This is what our question here. So, given, take the given inequality minus 3 modulus of x plus 5 less than or equal to minus 2. So, now bring your plus 5 to the right hand side. So, the plus 5 will goes to the other side as a minus 5. Now, see here we will have two negative signs over here. So, the value is supposed to be added and the common sign minus we have to write. 5 plus 2 gives you the value 7. So, we will have here minus 7. Both the sides will have the negative values. When you multiplying by the minus signs, your inequality will be changing. So, you will have 3 modulus of x greater than or equal to 7. Now, divide both the sides by the 3. So, your 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Here, you will have 7 by 3. That is modulus of x is greater than or equal to 7 by 3. So, this is in the by property 2. We can write this one as x is less than or equal to minus 7 by 3 or x is greater than or equal to plus 7 by 3. So, if it is less than 7 by 3 means all the values on the left hand side will have. You know that in a number line the values from the left hand, the values on the left hand sides are all lesser values. Suppose if you have in the number line number 1, 2, 3. 1 is less than your 2 where 1 lies in the left hand side of the number line. And if you are going for the 3 and 4 means 3 is greater than 2 means that will lies on the right hand side. Clear? Okay. So, we can write this in the interval x belongs to minus infinity to minus 7 by 3. See here it is less than and also equal to was here. Equal to sign is here. Equal to means this number is included. So, minus 7 by 3, the number is included means we should write it within the closed bracket here. Here we have written the open bracket. Open bracket means the value is excluded, whereas when you are giving in this bracket, this is called as a closed bracket, the value is included. Union. This value here is 7 by, this x value is greater than or equal to 7 by 3. So, 7 by 3 greater than value means it is the right hand side of your number line till your infinity it takes. Since it is given equal to, we have given the closed bracket here for the 7 by 3 comma infinity with the open bracket. Now, replace this in the number line. The number line minus infinity to plus infinity. Let us consider somewhere here your minus 7 by 3. Somewhere same way consider here plus 7 by 3. Less than or equal to means it should be on the left hand side. So, this portion. Greater than or equal to means right hand side of your number line. So, these portions. Okay. Solve 2 into modulus of x plus 1 minus 6 less than or equal to 7 and graph the solution set in a number line. This problem is also same as your third sum. Solution, write the given one 2 into modulus of x plus 1 minus 6. Bring your minus 6 to the right hand side. So, you will have 7 plus 6, that is your 13 you will get. So, now bring your 2 to the other side. The multiplication of your 2 comes to the other side as a divide. So, this gives you modulus of x plus 1 is less than or equal to 13 by 2. This here we are going to use the property 1. What is your property 1? Modulus of x is less than or equal to r means it will be lies between minus r and the plus r, that is minus r less than x less than r. Here I have given. So, in the place of r we have 13 by 2. In the place of x we will have x plus 1. This can be written as minus 13 by 2 less than or equal to x plus 1 less than or equal to 13 by 2. Bring this plus 1 to this side. So, you will have minus 1. Same way, bring the plus 1 to the right hand side, you will have the minus 1. So, take the LCM here. So, you will have minus 13 minus 2 divided by 2, which is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to, take the LCM here. So, you have 13 minus 2 divided by 2. So, my same sign is here, add the value. So, you will have minus 13 minus 2 gives you minus 15 by 2, and here 13 minus 2 gives you 11. So, we will have minus 15 by 2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 11 by 2. Clear? Now, the solution set is lies between from which interval to which interval? Negative values to the here positive values, that gives you, and here you will have equal to sign. So, what bracket we have to write? Closed bracket. This 15 by 2 is also included. So, that can be given as minus 15 by 2 comma 11 by 2. That is, your x belongs to minus 15 by 2 comma 11 by 2. And the number line, draw the number line. So, you will have minus 15 by 2, from the minus 15 by 2 till this is less than 11 by 2. This is greater than your minus 15 by 2. Here you will have less than your 11 by 2. So, you will have from here 15 minus 15 by 2 to 11 by 2. This is your number line representation. Sum number 5. 1 by 5, modulus of 10x minus 2 less than 1. Solution. Given the value, we are going to solve for the value of x, and we have to going to give x the range of the x value. So, given inequality is this, bring this 1 by 5 to the other side. Since it is in the divide, it goes to other side as a multiplication. 1 into 5, you will get the 5. That is, modulus of 10x minus 2 less than 5. Now, this is by property 1. We can write this one as minus 5 less than 10x minus 2 less than plus 5. Clear? Property 1 is nothing but modulus of x is less than or equal to r, means we can have this value. So, now bring this minus 2 to both the sides. When it goes to the left hand side with the plus 2, and same way to the right hand side with the plus 2. So, minus 5 plus 2 gives the value minus 3 less than 10x. 5 plus 2 you will have 7. So, bring the divide throughout by the 10, we will have minus 3 by 10, 10x divided by 10, 10 will get cancelled, less than 7 by 10 we will have here. So, now your x value ranges from minus 3 by 10 to plus 7 by 10. So, this is the solution set of the given question. Now, sixth sum, solve modulus of 5x minus 12 less than minus 2. See ma, here only modulus value is given, one other constant value is given over here, and you know that the modulus value means it is absolute value. Absolute value will be always positive values you will have. So, definitely your positive values will not be less than the negative. Understand? So, I have given with an example here. By the definition of modulus function, modulus of 5x minus 12 is always positive. Suppose if you substitute x is equal to 0, 5 into 0 minus 12, which is equal to, you will have modulus of minus 12. You have studied in the lower classes and all, whenever you have any negative value within the modulus, that can be given as a plus value. So, plus 12 you will have. So, here you have positive value will not be less than the negative value. Therefore, modulus of 5x minus 12 less than minus 2 is not possible. Therefore, here solution does not exist. You can have, if the modulus value may be greater than negative values you can get the solution. Linear inequalities. Next topic. A function of the form f of x is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constants, is called a linear function. You have studied in your lower classes the linear equation like y is equal to mx plus c. The same thing, only here it is given as the definition, where there you used to take it your m as the slope. Same way here your a is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. This is called the linear equation. So, we are going to solve in the next exercise based on the linear equations. Linear means when the power of the x will be always 1, that is called as your linear equations. So, you solved in lower classes the linear equations, the values for the x and even for the y, whereas here we are going to solve for linear inequalities. What do you mean by inequalities? Inequality means it is nothing but always in general it gives the range of values from this to this, give rise to a range of solutions. Clear? Okay. Now let me give in an example about the range, the interval, how you can write. If x is greater than or equal to 2 and x is less than 7, represents the inequality in the interval. So, we have to represent that in the inequality. This inequality is in the interval form. So, how to make it these inequalities in the interval form means, see x greater than or equal to 2 means what? The values more than 2, and also this sign is given, this means what? Equal to also 2. Okay. So, more than 2 and equal to 2. One equality you had, and the other one is given as x is less than 7. So, your value starts from 2 till your 7 we have to write. Here you do not have your equal sign. So, how we have to represent that in the interval? It is nothing but your x ranges from 2 to 7, that is x belongs to, since 2 is included, with the close bracket we are writing the 2, comma 7. 7 is not included, less than 7 values only we have to take. So, that will be given in the open bracket. Therefore, the interval is nothing but x belongs to closed bracket of 2 comma 7 with the open bracket. Exercise 2.3, first sum, represents the following inequalities in the interval notation. That is, see your first subdivision it is given, x is greater than or equal to -1 and x is less than 4. So, greater value of your -1 and also it should be equal to less than your 4. So, I have explained you in the number line only the interval, writing of your interval is enough for the solution. For your understanding I have mentioned here. So, in the number line minus infinity to plus infinity, let us consider here -1, here as a, somewhere here as a 4. So, -1 greater than -1 means -1 or greater than will be coming in the right hand side, as I told you, it should be this side, and less than 4 means it should be on the left hand side. So, here you will have means your interval is nothing but -1 to 4. Clear? Therefore, your interval notation can be mentioned in the form x belongs to, equal to sign is given for -1. So, with the closed bracket -1 comma 4. Here equal to sign is not there, with the open bracket we will have 4. Okay. And second subdivision, x is less than or equal to 5 and x greater than or equal to -3. So, given this thing is given, x greater than or equal to -3 and x less than or equal to 5. Here in the number line, -3 will be in the left hand side here, 5 will be on the right hand side. Greater than -3 means right hand side here, and less than 5 means left hand side here. So, we can write your interval -3 to +5, and also equal to sign is given for both the values. So, both -3 as well as the 5 is included. So, we can write both in the closed bracket. So, -3 comma 5. And coming to your third subdivision, x is less than minus 1 or x is less than 3. See, whenever you have the or means it is the union values. So, less than minus 1 given here in the number line, right, let us consider here as your minus 1, 0 and somewhere here as the 3. So, less than minus 1 means it will be on the left hand side, Amma. Minus 1 less than means it will be on the left hand side. So, till it is nothing but the minus infinity we will have. And then 3, here we have the 3. What inequality is given here? Less than 3. Again less than 3 means it is on the left hand side. So, this things. So, now your interval notation is nothing but from minus infinity to plus 3. Clear? And equal to sign is not given in the 3. So, you should write that in the within the open bracket. So, here your notation, interval notation is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to plus 3. Fourth subdivision, question, minus 2x greater than 0 or 3x minus 4 is less than 11 is given in the question. Therefore, solution, minus 2x greater than 0 or 3x minus 4 is less than 11. So, rewrite this in the form of the x with the inequalities. Minus 2x greater than 0. So, when you multiplying with the minus sign, this inequality is changed as less than 0. That is 2x is less than 0. When you bring 2 to the other side, 0 divided by 2 gives you the 0. So, x is less than 0 you will get. And another inequality, change it. So, minus 4 you bring to the other side, it will becomes plus 4. 3x is less than 11 plus 4. That is 11 plus 4 is 15. 3x is less than 15. Bring the 3 to the other side, that gives you x is less than 15 by 3. While you are cancelling, you will get x is less than 5. So, now see 0 less than value and 5. So, first write in the number line 0 and your 5. 0 less than value means negative side, Amma. This side less than 0 means this is your less than 0. So, here the number is not particularly mentioned. So, you have to take it minus infinity. Till minus infinity is less than 0 values. And here till less than 5 it is given. So, 5 less than means again this is the left hand side only. So, we will be writing the interval is nothing but minus infinity to plus 5. And equal to sign is not given. So, we have to mention the interval in the open bracket. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to plus 5. Thank you, students.